In the last video, I showed you how to install European hinges so that you can hang a door pretty much effortless. This video, I'm revisiting on how to make an inexpensive cabinet door. A lot of times I don't have all my tools with me and I need to make a vanity door or a kitchen door. And I'm going to show you, again, out in the garage, how I make these doors with very, very few tools. And I think you'll be surprised at how well they come out and how few tools I actually needed. And if you go to Gene, G-E-N-E, woodshop.com, you'll find me building this door. There's a video there. Also, if you did decide to go through the YouTube channel, you'll find I make this door quite a bit. The battery bank I use this door. I use it on an inexpensive kitchen out on the deck. So let's go out to the garage and I'll show you how to build one of these.
Because I had really kind of geared it toward maintenance people that have tools that run around and just fix properties. But oftentimes, you know, I don't have all my tools with me when I'm on a job, and I'll go into a bathroom and I'll see a vanity door missing, and I use what I've got to make the door. And that's what this video is going to be geared toward, using tools on hand just to get the job done. So I'll just start with cutting a board. If this applies to you, fantastic. If it helps you, cool. This is not a real good handsaw, but it'll work. If you have a speed square, just kind of go slow, and it'll give you a good 90-degree angle on the edge of your board. Okay? Pretty good. If you have a available skill saw, go ahead and use it. I use my speed square again for my fence. Okay, installing these European hinges, specifically this cup part. A lot of times I don't have a drill press when I'm making these either, and I use this alignment jig that I purchased. I believe this one came from Home Depot, but all of them carry these kind of items, and it's specifically for installing European hinges. Let me give you an example. Take your little jig, and there's going to be 3 holes already drilled in it. That's going to be for the cup and the 2 screw holes. And I'm just going to show you how to drill out the cup using a simple hand drill. Take the center of the Forstner bit, and we're only going to go down to the top of this. Okay, and put it directly on that mark. That's all there is to it, and let's take a look at how we did. Perfect. When I first started making these doors with pocket holes, I didn't have the Craig jig. I actually started with the Popular Mechanic award-winning generic General Easy pocket hole jig kit. I forgot where I got it. It's probably some hardware store. Probably $10, $15. It works just like the Craig jig. They're all the same. You're just simply drilling a hole at an angle. And again, this bit, by changing where this collar goes, determines the thickness of the material you're joining. But simple enough. Just put it in like this. Take your drill and drill in, and it'll give you that angled hole you need for joining your boards together. Okay, so that's another option for you. Inexpensive. And the last part of this cabinet door, you may not have an air compressor with a brad gun or a stapler, but it's not a problem. Lay your frame down, apply your glue all the way around it, and then take your panel and lay it on the back of it. Go ahead and take small Phillips screws using a screwdriver and just clamp. It's only to be used as a clamp until the glue dries, giving you a good bond. You can also use a Phillips head in your drill, and that'll work really well also. There's also another video that I have out. It's making the battery bank cabinet. I built 2 doors in that episode, and that might just give you another look at a different way of making them. Alright, good luck. I'll catch you on the next one.